Welcome students. Correction. Incorrect. If he helped me, I would have succeeded. Rule. In conditional sentences of the past, we use past perfect tense in conditional part, while we use would have and third form of verb in the other part of the sentence. Correct. If he had helped me, I would have succeeded. Incorrect. Had he helped me, I had succeeded. Had he helped me, I would have succeeded. If I shall go to Lahore, I shall bring new books for you. In conditional sentences of future, we use present tense in conditional part, while we use future indefinite tense in the other part of the sentence. Correct इसका होगा if I go to Lahore, I shall bring new books for you. Incorrect. When he will come to me, I shall help him. When he comes to me, I shall help him. Incorrect. He will succeed if he will work hard. He will succeed if he works hard. Idioms. A curtain lecture. A scalding reproof given by a wife to her husband. He was given a curtain lecture last night and recounted it to his friend. To cut the Gordian knot, to overcome a difficulty by short and bold measures. Islam has cut the Gordian knot by placing the lower castes on an equal footing with the higher caste. Diamond of the first water. A man of the highest excellence, Hazrat Khaja Moinuddin was a diamond of the first water. Die hard, a person who obstinately resists. Churchill was against the Indian independence. He proved himself a die-hard when he refused to preside at the liquidation of the British Empire. Do yeoman's service. Do excellent work. Professor Nicholson has done a yeoman's service to Persian literature by translating the work of Maulana Room. Pair of words. Meter. Rupees are mounting up on the meter of the taxi cab. Meter. This room is 6 meters long. Ordinance. Order given by authority. During the war, the Viceroy promulgated many ordinances forbidding the newspapers to publish discouraging news. Ordnance. Asla. Many ordnance factories have been established in Pakistan. Proceed. Go forward. You may now proceed with your story. Precede. Come before. He preceded me in reaching the place. Pair of words. Quaint. Attractive due to old-fashioned. American visitors admire the quaint customs and villages of England. Queer. Strange. His queer way of talking is not liked by anyone. Rob. The dacoit robbed him of his money last night. Steal. Someone has stolen my watch. Vocabulary. Unwary. Ghafal. ट्रज लंबा सफर गिरते पड़ते चलना. स्टम्बल ठोकर खाना. स्टम्बलिंग ब्लॉक तंग राह रुकावट. रेवरबरेट गूंजना. टिटिलेट तसव्वुर में गुदगुदाना. सुपरफ्लुअस ज़ायदा ज़रूरत. स्टम्बल ऑन इत्तफाक से पाना. रिनंसिएशन दस्तबरदारी. रेक्लूज तारकुद दुनिया. ट्रांसलेशन उर्दू टू इंग्लिश. बेरोज़गारी का बढ़ता हुआ सैलाब हमारी नौजवान नस्ल की उम्मीदों पर पानी फेर रहा है. मुनासिब रोज़गार की तलाश में पढ़े लिखे लोग सारा दिन दफ्तरों के चक्कर लगाते रहते हैं. उन्हें हर तरफ से इनकार ही सुनना पड़ता है। जब इनके सामने लोग सिफारिश और रिश्वत से मुलाजमतें हासिल कर लेती हैं तो ज़हनी तौर पर परेशान होना शुरू हो जाते हैं। ये हक तलफी ज़हनी इंतशार का सबब बनती है और नौजवानों में मनफी सोच के दरवाजे खोल देती है। इस तरह वो भी चोर दरवाज़ों से कहीं ना कहीं अपने कदम जमाने की कोशिश करते हैं। जब तमाम लोग इस मनफी सोच का शिकार हो जाते हैं तो मुआशरा मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाही के किनारे की तरफ बढ़ जाता है। फिर हर तरफ लाकानूनीयत जन्म लेती है। इस तरह मुआशरे का बिगाड़ पैदा होता है। इस बिगाड़ को हल करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है। इसलिए हर हुकूमत की अव्वलीन तरजीह रोज़गार की फराहमी होना चाहिए। The flood of unemployment is dashing the expectations of the youth to the ground. Educated people roam about the offices all the day in search of proper job. They have to get blank refusal from every side. When before them people get jobs through recommendation and bribery, they start to become mentally upset. This usurpation brings about mental disturbance and opens the door of negative thinking for the youth, and so they try to generate through back doors from any side. When all the people fall a victim to this negative thinking, then the society moves to the brink of destruction. Complete lawlessness takes birth everywhere and distortion is created in the society. It becomes very much difficult to solve this distortion.